In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable customer accounts in Shopify. By the end, your store will have a clean sign-in experience so customers can log in, view their orders, and check out faster. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to your main dashboard. This is the control center for your store. From here, look toward the lower left corner and click Settings. Settings is where Shopify keeps most of the preferences that affect how your store behaves, so it's the right place to manage accounts. Inside Settings, find and open Customer Accounts. This page controls whether customers can log in, what they'll see, and how the account experience works. To make the sign-in option visible on your storefront, turn on the toggle to show sign-in links. Enabling this adds login and account links to common theme locations, such as the header or footer, and ensures customers can access their account area without you manually inserting links. Next, choose the customer account experience that Shopify recommends. The recommended option gives shoppers a modern flow that's easy to use, works well on mobile, and supports features like passwordless login where available. If you rely on older apps or customizations that were built specifically for the older account style, you can stick with that. Otherwise, the recommended option is the best starting point for most stores. When you're happy with your selection, click Update to save. Saving is important here. If you navigate away without updating, your storefront won't reflect the changes. A few quick tips to make sure everything's working as expected. After you update, preview your storefront in a new tab and look for the sign-in link in your theme header or menu. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page or clear your browser cache. Some themes tuck the link into a menu icon on mobile, so check both desktop and mobile views. It's also a good idea to run a quick test. Create a test customer account, sign in, and confirm you can see order history and addresses. This helps you catch any theme-specific quirks early. If you ever need to adjust the experience, you can return to customer accounts and change the setting or turn the toggle off. You can also explore other related settings later, like whether accounts are optional or required at checkout, depending on your business model. That's it. You've enabled customer accounts, turned on visible sign-in links, selected the recommended experience, and saved your changes. Your customers now have a smooth